Let's talk about ants today. We all get them in the house sooner or later. First, what do we do to deter them? We're going to take some undiluted white vinegar and wipe down the countertops in the kitchen. That will keep them from crawling on there because they hate the taste. Now, if you know where they're crawling in, take some crushed red pepper or some cayenne. Sprinkle it right there where they're at, and believe me, if they don't like the heat, they'll get out of your kitchen in a hurry. Now, let's knock them dead for sure with a mixture of half borax and half confectioner's or powdered sugar. And we're going to take a small box, and what I've done is put 3 little holes in it so the ants can crawl in. Then we're going to dump in our equal portions of borax and powdered sugar, and we're going to just mix that up. Put the lid back on, and I always put a rubber band around it because it keeps the kids and the other pets out of it. Sit it where you see the ants, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, near the toilet, by the cupboard, wherever that is. The ants crawl in, they take the borax and the sugar back to the queen, and she dies, and you'll be saying, rest in peace, ants. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.